Peace divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. I am making a smoothie, and I wanted this smoothie, as you can see in the title, I wanted it to be nourishing for getting your omegas 3 and 6, and it's very good for your nervous system. I will be sure to put the recipe in the description, of course. And the ingredients I'm going to use today, I'm going to use some almond milk. I'm going to use some frozen blueberries, and I am using frozen blueberries because my son loves blueberries, and this is a recipe when I want him to get his omegas. So this is really good for children, and I decided I wanted to use the frozen blueberries because he loves frozen blueberries. And I'm also going to use some cinnamon and some flax seed. I'm also going to use some hemp seeds, and I'm also going to use some chia seeds, and I'm going to use some bananas. And the things that you can add to this, which I'm probably going to add, you can also add some flaxseed oil, and you could also put, you know, some greens in it. My son, he likes romaine lettuce, so I could put a romaine lettuce leaf in here if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that today. I was going to put some of this acai berry in, but I probably won't do that. I'll go ahead and put the milk in, and you can use whatever non-dairy milk you want to use, of course. I'm going to put the lovely blueberries in. Some more in there. Have a lot more. I'm going to put the bananas in. I'm going to put the hemp seeds in. I'm going to put the flax and the cinnamon. I love cinnamon, oh my goodness. And I'm going to put the chia seeds in. I'll put a little bit of flax, a little bit. And just a little bit, because you already have, what do we have? You already have the chia seeds and the hemp seeds and the flax seed already, the ground flax seed. But this is good to just make it even that much more nutritiously packed, right? Okay, and now we are going to blend this up. Okay, and we have our lovely smoothie, omega power pack smoothie, and we are going to pour it now. Okay, and I am going to give Don his in a little while. And so again, we have banana, we have hemp seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Okay, we have cinnamon. I even threw in some dates. Okay, and we have some almond milk. And like I said, I'll put the tips in the description on how you can make this even more fortified, okay? And so let's try it. Yep. It's good. And like I said, you can definitely, if you wanted to have more green, you can add your greens. If you want it to be more sweet, you can add your sweetness. As always, divines, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my boopy some of this smoothie and continue the rest of my evening. And as always, divines, I want you to be blessed. I want you to be true to yourself. I want you to be well. Peace, divines. sure to check out my other smoothie recipes. Peace divines.